Kathusha mwanya muno kiwe Marion Karugi tugietana mbere ni ati gavana wa kaunti ya Meru nwe Reverend Mutumanto Edingia ari wa municipal ya Meru ne dinjirene ya witithonka thina kwa mushi munene kana wenda na mugambo ya Chomba City. Mutuma akiaria kaita ka kunywa moma kwa bodi ari wa bodi ni onkaki atiere ibo kienda Meru ekethira ikia City kaiteni okau Bishop Edward Kirimiburia na nywete moma kuyokio bisi ya mukaririete wa mbodi ya witithio woti kaunti ya Meru. Muthuri murio kinena cio nkoloki
Mthuri narua gavana wa Meru Reverend Mutumanto Edingia na munini wa Linda Kiome ni batongeretie kunyithia muma kwa kiama mbambuni ya municipality aja mutiri wa Kangangi barabetete bateo kwa kagite ka Karaja.
Debere, congratulations to Koboa Ngugi on behalf of the people of Meru in the heart of Meru County. And this will be the seat of the next city in Kenya. The next city in Kenya is Meru. Nenonto city ni yana better opportunities. Changugi. Ne yana better opportunities chia biashara. Ne yana better opportunities kinyasya funding. Ne yana better opportunities chia kuruura manto yara tutumba kuyona turena municipality yoneka only in a city status.
I know, Your Excellency, that Antobaba Wadura Narua ne akoro na ekoro ba heshima mono na wisdom irabe nayo ingwetekia mtina nkanja nkorone kwa Your Excellency that bagetithia our municipality to a higher level, to a city. You are our visionary leader na inkomenya kio ikio kioneki kirawe nakyo na inkomenya timu eje narua igatwetithia mbere.
Kere gikaro giki gavana wa Meru augana ndiba mbite mitaratara egutigira mutiri wa Kangangi jokwa City akiwa barabara urite ni mbundiji na nawitike bakweja mandu jomwe kido yakiagira
itokorokete kinya requirement ira tobatera kwethira twinachio. We've already started the process. Nito indicated the relevant ministry, Baruga, na to come move with speed. Ingwete kiabira toterare na bione kenda twethira to fully formed up and constituted ne kenda to ambreria kuthiata process yu ni board. Nande kwethira totena city kuma Narua Ngugi ikwethira board tuterarita Ngugi yetu amwe na governor wenu ora we more than willing to deliver this great opportunity to the people of Meru.
Amna bubu kinya Bishop Edward Buria edwa kinyithia muma jamukarigite ya mbondi odhrani ogoti.
I will not directly or indirectly reveal the nature of the contents of the business proceedings or document committed to my secrecy, except as may be required for the due diligence, the discharge of the duties of the chairperson, or as required under law, so help me, O God.
Na ngavana nandi akimwira kaunti Meru ina mandiba kuthania mbeca kathumba ontuburia mutikomba kumbikana.
So twina Ngugi Bishop Buria totera achieve according to Commission for Revenue Allocation, CRA, totera achieve potential yetu ta county ya Meru. Potential yetu according to the commission that is charged with the responsibility ya kuona capacity nimbi tobatire kwethira tukerita tobatire kwethira twena 3.4 billion. Revenue Board seal all the cracks that are in the system.
We will.
Iria wamba borabwa wekera 50 kiondone 50 gekirwa kiondone nekirwa kiondone kya account te kiondone kya muntu.
We will.
Streams ira chionde batere kureta resources nekenda to akachibitari to bwethia barabara tukundia antu betu ndawa tuba kundia roje rwa kunywa na kinya rwa kurima ni nao twetere kurita mbeca
akiuga no ndotete na mbere kukiria tauni ingine na kaunti Meru kwa municipality kira kwenda ni ntonene kaunti Meru kuthobekario tonga bao kumakiri wagagia kutikonekane kwina winyangia kinya buriku
timau karieni bira bwena bio maua karieni bira bwena bio in maua Meru here tokaria bira twena bio Kobo, we are going very soon to make it a municipality. We are going to take care of our wealth in Kobo municipality. Mekidori vile vile, Lare vile vile. Totetiira anto babae bathukia. Are tugakaria.
Muthuri Muriuki, Woro TV, Mutinjo Kangangi.